Back in my day, when I wanted to make some hot chocolate, all you needed was a good mug, some good cocoa, and a spoon to mix it with. Now, apparently, spoons are now optional. So have we really gotten to the point where we're too freaking lazy to stir our own hot chocolate? The answer is yes. The answer is you need to have a self-stirring mug. If you don't have a self-stirring mug, then you're not part of the cool kid club. Sorry. Your dues are now up. You got kicked out if you don't have a self-stirring mug. I mean, how cool is this? Now, I will say really quick, let me just guide you through here. It automatically turns on once the metal hits this metal. You are good to go. You're turned on. We're in a different universe than when I grew up, for sure. So imagine this. You can have this next to your desk at work and your coffee will stay warm. Now, you have a couple different settings right here. As you press that button, this button's gonna actually mix it. So if you look in here, that is rotating. We'll stop it, rotating. This button is actually gonna be your warmer. You got 3 degrees of warmth. You got 1, 2, and 3. So this first one right here is what we're gonna do, because that hits me about 113 degrees for level 1 right there. 113 degrees is perfect for warm milk. Then it goes up to 131 for if you want to keep tea or something like that warm. And then obviously for coffee is kind of like your third setting at 149 degrees Fahrenheit. So that is way too hot for me. I don't like my hot chocolate that much, but let's get this going. So we're going to pour this up. It does have a max fill line, if you can see that. You don't want to fill that more. Once you fill that up, that's approximately about 10 ounces of liquid once you hit that max fill line. And then now we're just going to get my favorite cocoa, because I love me some cocoa. Yes, I do. And we're going to put about 2 heaping scoops in there. Man, I got to resist the urge. Nope, not going to do it. We're going to let the cup do the stirring for us. So make sure that when you have it that full, you put the lid on there so that you can avoid the spills, because we do not want to be cleaning up a mess. And now, here we go. Are you guys ready for this? If you've never seen a cup stir itself, be amazed. I don't know if it's magic or what, but we're gonna go with it's awesome. This cup is stirring itself, and we're gonna let that vent just a little bit. And I'm gonna put it on heat level 1. So while this is stirring, it's heating up. Now the cool thing here is, I'll show you if I can really quick, is that this is just a USB-C. So what that means is that you can take that camping, you can fit that in the RV, you can take that anywhere except for your car. You could, but it's probably gonna fall. But USB-C is kind of like today, everybody has it. So that's pretty cool technology. You can use any single cable right here that pushes 5 volts. Okay, the true test here is it just stopped stirring. So it says, hey, this is mixed enough. Now, I'll be the judge of that, because I honestly don't think that is mixed enough, because that's probably my own fault right there, because I don't want this to be that color. Me, I like it to be a little bit more chocolatey, so that's on me. So I'm gonna put 1 more scoop in there. I'm gonna show you like that, and then we're gonna mix that one up together and see if we get the right mixture ratio here. So we get that right ratio. So plug that back in, and we're gonna go for another tour. Man, that's so nice. My wrist is gonna get carpal tunnel or anything like that from stirring that spoon. That's so much effort. Stirring that spoon is ridiculously hard nowadays, right? So one of the things here is that if you just happen to forget that this is on, let's say you walk away, you didn't drink it all the way down, this does have an 8-hour auto shut off, and it will keep it at that temperature for up to 8 hours. That's pretty cool. So right now I'm feeling it. It's getting a little bit warm, but we'll wait. I want it to get all the way warm. All right, that looks a little bit better for us here. So the nice thing about this is if you already have it hot, like a hot drink of coffee, it's gonna keep it warm. It's probably gonna take a little bit longer to warm up. We're gonna go from chocolate milk to hot chocolate, but for me, I wanna check and see if that is stirred up good or if it's clumpy or not. So let's take this off right here, and it has a no spill right here, so you can actually drink it like that. So we're gonna do that really quick. Ooh, it is pretty warm on the bottom. That tastes almost like if I mixed it myself with my own spoon. Congratulations, me. This is a cool invention. I just want to stir it just one because I can. It doesn't need it. I just want to do it because it's cool. We're gonna sit to let that warm up a little bit more. But in my opinion, this is a perfect gift This is a perfect solution for anybody that likes to keep their drinks warm for a while and likes to just sit and sip on it, because that's what I like to do. It takes me hours to finish a hot cup, especially when I'm camping. I love that, but I hate coming back and grabbing it and it not being hot. So this solution, it fixes that for me.